This is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to begin with, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then open the Google search bar, type in the Fortnite APK search query. Among the search results that you will get, look for the official epicgames.com website. Here it is in my case, the link says download the Fortnite, so I'll tap on it, wait until the web page gets loaded, then confirm the download by tapping at the download anyway option. After that, launch the file, grant whatever browser you're using the install unknown apps permission, then finalize the Epic Games Launcher installation, open the app, grant all the necessary permissions, then open the Fortnite page and tap at this juicy big install button. Now we'll simply wait for the game files to get, or should I say game installation files rather, to get downloaded, and then we'll continue. Alrighty, as you can see, the Fortnite was downloaded and installed successfully. Now we will go ahead and launch the game, and in here, we are not quite done yet at this point. You'll just simply will need to wait for the game to, download the update of 6.5 gigabytes in size. And after that, you will be able to finally start playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.